how I ended up here. It's always good to have a diverse set of skills, especially when you're throwing new tackle.
Fishing this morning. I got a brand new jerkbait. Just bought this thing. Third cast. Got it hung on a stump. 25-pound braid with a 20-pound leader. And I broke the double uni knot on the leader. And I'm like, you know, I got dive gear at the house. So went back and got some gear, and I got my jerkbait back. It's always good to have a extra set of skills in your pocket. Never know when you're gonna need it. So today's fishing gear included my dive gear: mask, fin, snorkel, boots, dive skin, tool to get the hook out of the stump, and also took a dive knife with me, a little dive right there in case I got caught up in some line. But yeah, just got that brand new crankbait stuck there, a little jerkbait I just bought, and I'm like, man, it's brand new. So I went back out there and kind of had an idea where it got hung up at, searched around just a little bit, and found it within just a few minutes. So using that dive skill set, bass fishing.